Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a very authentic Malaysian cuisine, stir-fried kangkung with belacan. It is a quick and simple dish. All the households in Malaysia knows how to do it. What you need is kangkung, that is water spinach, and chili paste. And in our language, we call it sambal. In this recipe, we use a special sambal that is boosted with the flavor of belacan, a local version of fermented shrimp paste. You can get the recipe in the description section right below this video. And without further ado, let me show you how to make it. This is the bundle of kangkung. I got it from the local market this morning. The stem is hollow, and that's why in Chinese Mandarin we call it kong xin cai, which means hollow vegetables. Kangkung is quite gritty and must be washed with copious amount of water. Potentially, there will be some sand that is trapped inside the hollow stem. I usually use the kitchen basin to wash it and change water 2 to 3 times. After washing, drain on a colander or a strainer. Then, cut and separate the stems from the leaves. As I said, the stem takes longer time to cook and turn soft, so it is better to cut it into short sections. Now we move on to make the most important elements in this recipe, the chili paste, or in the Malay language, sambal. The basic ingredients to make sambals are onions, garlic, and chili. Today I'm using the red chili like this, along with the small chili called bird's eye chili. These bird's eye chilies, they are all very spicy. You can substitute it with dry chili if you want, or you can omit it. So these are the basic ingredients. But today, we want to boost up the flavor by adding 2 more additional ingredients: dry shrimps and belacan. This is the dry shrimp. And I soak the dry shrimp in water for at least 15 minutes to soften it before blending. This is belacan, the Malaysian version of shrimp paste. It is made with shrimps and fermented together with salt. It has an intense umami flavor, and a little goes a long way. We need to blend all these ingredients with some oil, but before that, it is a good practice to toast the belacan to really bring out the flavor. Break the block of belacan into small pieces and put it into the pan. Some belacan comes in the form of powder too. Then, toast it over low heat until it turns aromatic and start smoking. Once it turns aromatic and start to smoke, set aside. Now I put all the ingredients in the blender. The onion, the chili, garlic, the small little bird's eye chili, very spicy, the belacan has been toasted, and a part of the dry shrimp. I'll keep the other half as a whole piece and saute it with the chili paste, and add some oil inside to facilitate blending. Blend all the ingredients until really smooth. Transfer the chili paste to the bowl and start to saute over low heat until it turns aromatic. Add the remaining half of the dry shrimp. When the water has evaporated, it will become very fragrant. Now, add the stems and turn up the heat. Make sure you use a large wok because it takes up a lot of space. And if necessary, add a little bit of water, 1 or 2 tablespoons. At this point of time, season with salt and balance with some sugar. After 2 minutes, add the leaves. Stir fry until all the leaves has wilted and is now ready to serve. Kangkung is best to serve with plain rice and garnish with some red chili. That's how we prepare kangkung with belacan. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.